Okay, so let's wrap up week one, look ahead to week two. So a good start to the discussions this week. I know a few of you got in late. I got a few notes from you guys. I know some of you are getting adjusted to online classes, so I was there right with you a couple of years ago when I was going for my master's. So I know it's a process. So I will work with you on that. No problem at all. So I will start grading sometime tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have these all done for you by Tuesday at the latest. So, but good week start. Good initial posts, very good responses, very in depth. I enjoyed reading them. I always feel that every class I teach, I learn too. I'm not above learning myself just because I'm the instructor. So good job this week. All right, so let's look ahead to week two here. Pull it over from this screen. So this is our second week of class. You're going to read through chapter 3 of your textbook, covering investigators, investigative process, and the crime scene. You're going to watch the offense and the investigator video, and then the deductive and inductive versus inductive reasoning video. And then there's a series of videos for you to watch that cover the investigative process, what to do when you're arriving at a crime scene, and crime scene processing. So with that, we have two discussions this week again. The first one's entitled Week 2, the Investigative Process, the Simpson-Goldman Murders. You're first going to watch the video that does a simulation of these murders, and then first explain the difference between inductive and deductive reasoning as it relates to this case, and then answer the question, how would you have organized the crime scene procedures? Okay, for our second discussion, Week 2, conducting a search, be mindful that when you are searching for evidence or a suspect, there are strict guidelines that law enforcement officials must adhere to. So at that point, please respond to the following two questions. Under what circumstances can an officer or detective perform a search without a search warrant? And then number two, if you were directed to execute a search warrant on a large piece of acreage with the purpose of looking for victim or human remains, what law enforcement tools would be available to you? Remember that for both discussions, please submit your initial post to each discussion by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then you also must respond to at least two other posts before our week closes by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, then you have assignment this week, which is a week 2 take action, organize a crime scene search video. So please review your assignment instructions here for what's expected of this assignment. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll assist you with this. And then lastly, you have your week 2 reading quiz. There is a time limit of 30 minutes on this quiz, and you have one attempt to take it. So again, if you have any questions during this week or throughout the class, please feel free to contact me at any time. You can call me, text me, or email me. All right. Good luck to all of you in week 2.